Amazon stock 51 after so long without making a video about Amazon. Then suddenly we have this price 206 today, whilst this election of Trump has rocketed, let's say 3-4%, because we already were going towards growth of revenue 11% and then growth of income 50%, yes. Then these figures, what trends are drawing in the economy, in the future of the Amazon stock? Even though this video, as you know, this is just an investor that is expressing thoughts about the value, the core, the intrinsic value of Amazon, the goodwill of the brand, how long will it compete and have a competitive advantage, as I see, because this is not really making people to invest, okay? So it's very important to know that this is just the idea of an investor about Amazon. Well, I believe that in the future is the same thing as with the European cars, that everybody's complaining that sales have fallen because there is an invasion in Europe of Chinese cars. Why? Because they have 2 times more autonomy and they are half the price. Why could they not invade Europe? Why? Because in Europe we have 90% tax in the industry, which is 36% is social security, employers must pay. Then what is 30 employer and 6 the employee? But you never know tomorrow how much it's going to be, because we have so many immigrants that we have to pay for them not working. So then we have VAT 21%, income tax to 20, and the profit tax to 24. The total's 100%. Now the Chinese don't have this, and they have the government pushing to produce more cars. Now they just told them to stop this producing cars, because in Europe they are going to levy the cars. Why? Because then the industry is gone. Now, that's why I invest in Amazon, because the small medium companies, they suffer the same lack of competitive help from the government. They pay 100% tax, the same as the industry, and then we have to fight every day with workers not going to work, or we cannot free fire because there is plenty young guys that really want to have a dream, but the others we cannot get rid of. And this kind of unfair competitive rules make Amazon great, because they can really grow natural, organic, the sales and the profits. The others, competitors, small medium companies, are being eliminated by the government's tax bureaucracy, the 5 layers of the council, the province, the local government, the central government, the European Union. 5 governments to feed, each living in 50,000 buildings in Spain. That's the brick occupiers. And so they need to do rules and bureaucracy in order to survive. And that's small medium companies paying, which Amazon is just one, competing with 1 million. It's a beautiful game, isn't it? Thank you. Bye.